Hi, this is a very quick tutorial on how to fill out your employment paperwork with CastCloud. Simply begin by going to castcloud.me and scrolling to the very bottom. You'll see the Sign Up button where you can input your email address. Next, create a password and make sure that it has at least one capital letter. Select an option, go to Actor, and select Create Account. Now you're almost on your way. Simply confirm your email and as you can see here, I've used a email generator. Great, so click Confirm Registration. Now this will take you back to the website. Simply log in with your email and your password. And you're on your way. As you can see, it's very short. The first section is your basic information. This will be auto-populated on your I-9, your W-4, and your voucher. You can come back to edit this anytime, but any set that's using CastCloud software, you will not have to fill out paperwork. So we'll fill out the first and last name. If you have a SAG-AFTRA name or stage name, you can type that here. Type in your address. And your zip code. Next, type in your cell phone number. If you have a SAG-AFTRA number, type that in here. Next, select your language, your birth date, and you're all set with that section. Before saving, jump down to the next section. This is List A and List B and C of your I-9. Select the drop-down and select what you'd like to choose. For example, List A, I might provide my passport information. For List B and C, I might provide my driver's license and my social security card. So we'll select List A. U.S. passport, state passport agency, and then we'll type in the document number. Next, type in the expiration date of your passport, and you're all set. Simply sign your name. If you're on a computer, you can sign with your mouse, and if you're on your phone, you can sign with your finger. The next section, simply fill out your social security number, and once you push save, that social security number will be blanked out. And the final two steps of the I-9 and W-4. As I mentioned above, they're already pre-populated with the information. Simply click on them, and all you have to do is complete the yellow portions. When you've completed that, go to the top right and click the green X, which saves your work. And now it's complete. And the final step is the W-4. Scroll down to the yellow portions and simply type in the information required. I'm single, and for this example, I will use 2 as my dependents. And click the top right Save button again. Now, that's it. Saved. Congrats, you're now done. Now, on every production you use with CastCloud, you go up to the top page where it says Vouchers, and you can view your vouchers in real time. Whenever the production assistant or assistant director edits your vouchers or meal times, anything, you can see this change in real time on your vouchers. Upon completion of the day, you can log in and you will see both your pink and white copy vouchers. as well as you'll also receive an email with your final vouchers that you can keep on hand forever. You're also welcome to print that voucher out. If you want to edit your information at any time, please come back and you can do that here. As you'll notice, all of your pertinent information is blanked out. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and thank you so much for helping the industry go green.